What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and hello to anyone who is new. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. It's Island Born. Here we go once more with another video. I'm coming at you guys from the Sandos Cancun resort. I'm going to be doing a review on the room that I occupied when I stayed at the resort. I had a good view of the hotel strip and of the water outside of my window. I like the little couch they placed by the window. I put my luggage on top of it. The room is very roomy and looks standard for your typical Cancun resort room. They have a bottle of wine beautifully placed in front of the window, ready for you to pour and enjoy the view when you arrive. Plenty chairs and a nice big mirror. The fridge, of course, comes fully stocked with your essentials, with everything from juice to beer. I personally placed the glass of water in there myself, and it is in fact glass, which is something that very much surprised me. I am not used to seeing water inside glass. Aside from that, this beautiful mirror has a great size. And the TV was amazing for playing music through Bluetooth. It was a great size and would make a great nightlight. The bed was also a great size for me. I was staying alone, but I would imagine this could definitely fit a couple nicely. They also have a good amount of drawers, plenty enough space for you to put any of your stuff away. And there is reliable room service. I will be testing that out later on in the video. The floors have a nice feel to them. I would not walk barefoot in them because it can feel pretty cold. Here's another beautiful sized mirror. In case you need to, of course, make sure you look good before you go downstairs. Without further ado, allow me to introduce you to the bathroom, an area where we spend most of our time when inside the resort room. The bathtub is not the biggest, but it definitely does get the job done when in need of a scrub-a-dub-dub. They have towel for days, and of course the housemaid can bring more if you ever need any. They have an emergency phone right next to the toilet, which is a unique feature. And you're able to close the room to the toilet for added privacy. Very cool, thick, see-through glass door for the shower. Opens about midway into the room. A nice big single sink with, of course, another good-sized mirror. There's a label stating to not waste water, which I humbly agree with. The view outside of my hotel room door isn't nothing special, but here's what it looks like. At night, you will hear noise. It's gonna be like this. Yeah, I'm not sure how long that plays for, but it's pretty loud and I can hear it from my bed. If you like parties, you can go downstairs and just, get with the program. If you're somebody like me that likes to just lay back and kick it, you know what I mean? Just hang out. It might be something that you might get annoyed at. I don't get annoyed, honestly. I don't mind. It doesn't bother me. I can sleep through anything. But for some people, it might bother them. Just something to keep in mind. I ordered a burger just to see how long it would take. Just about 25 minutes ago and it hasn't arrived to me just yet. This lighting is kind of crazy. I don't know why it keeps going off and on, but it's been about 25-30 minutes. They said it would take about 25-30 minutes. Still hasn't got here. I want to see how good it is, so it'll give you guys a good idea on how good the food might be if you order room service. I'm gonna give them a few dollars tip. I'm not sure what most people give, but I'm just giving them like $2, nothing crazy. Yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm gonna wait till I get that food, and when it comes back, I'm gonna explain to you guys how it is, how it tastes, and quick review on how it looks like. All right, so I'll see you guys soon.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is...
All right, so the food just came. I wasn't able to record me getting the food because they kind of just knocked on the door, and I was kind of startled because I was watching a video on YouTube, and while I was waiting for the food, and this is how it came. So let me show you. I'm not gonna lie, that looks very good. The fries are good. So I'm definitely gonna get into this. I'm gonna see how good this is, and we'll see how it tastes. I demolished that, so you could just tell that I was enjoying myself. There's a couple fries here and there, but kind of got full, so couldn't finish the whole thing. Usually I would not be drinking that. Normally I prefer water or juice, but that was a very good burger. I enjoyed it a lot. I'm thinking about ordering more. I'm not sure what I want to order, but I'll probably figure it out. Also, by the way, for anybody wondering, you can just leave this food anywhere you want in the room and somebody will come and take it. Or if you want to be that person, you can also leave it outside the door. I never like doing that, you know what I mean? I see people leave it out the door, but it just makes the hallway look messy. So just to avoid, making the hallway look bad, I like to just leave it on the table, in one spot. I'll put all my garbage in one area, circled together. So whenever the maid comes in, she can just take it all at once. And I'll leave her a little bit of a tip, you know what I mean? I don't like to leave it outside. I mean, they might not mind, but it just doesn't look good. When I'm walking around and I see garbage laying around, it just makes a bad impression. So that's one little tip. I just wanted to say one thing. Be very careful when you're putting the code in these safes, because as soon as you set it and hit the pound button, it will automatically start going and doing its thing. I made that mistake. I kind of want to just put the code in quick so I can go downstairs and enjoy the resort. But, with me putting the number in quick, I put one number in that I don't even know what I put in. And now it's just like insane, because just check this out. So I locked myself out of my own, well, not locked myself out, but, I can't even, usually I would put like my own code, but oh my god. I have no idea what I don't even know what I did, man. And I'm not gonna just keep playing with it because they got somebody coming up here. So, just let that be a lesson for anybody. Be very, very slow when you put these codes in, because, I don't know, maybe I could be the only person to do this, but I just feel like this could happen to anybody because, it just happened. Trying to go through things quick. You want to go downstairs, or you want to go to the town, or you want to go do something, when you're in a resort. But, man, take your time, because that's crazy.